Dear friends, welcome to Rama's Cooking World. Today let's see how to make an easy evening snack. Into a bowl, add 2 cups of milk. Here goes in a dash of lemon juice. Give it a quick stir. Now add 1/4 cup of oil. Combine it. Here goes in 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. It enhances the flavor. You can also add cardamom. Mix it well. Now sift in 2 cups of flour. Here I am adding the flour gradually. Add half teaspoon of baking soda and half teaspoon of salt. Sift everything together. Add sugar as per your taste. Here I am adding half cup of sugar. Mix it well. Mix the batter without lumps. Here goes in another batch of all-purpose flour. Combine it together. Here goes in the last batch of flour. After mixing, we will get a semi-thick batter. Into a pan, add oil. Let it heat up. Pour the batter into small batches and fry it. When its one side is done, flip it and fry it. As you can see, it's golden brown in color. Now let's transfer it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And hit the bell button too. Thank you everyone for supporting us.